So welcome back to my channel, and today I will just be showing you my squishy collection. So let's get on with the video. So my first squishy is this squishy. It's a Drew squishy crush ball. So it's actually licensed. Not a lot of people know that it's licensed. There it is. And next one, we will go with another crush ball. Another crush ball in the package. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Here's the back. And here's the back. And here's the one that I also have. Not the squishy, yes. So, and I will show you my other one that's in the package. Just this one, and here it is. Here's the thingy. Super duper squishy. So that's that. Okay. And then we can go with my other crush ball that's out of the package too. We can just flip it around and try to find the Drew. And there it is. There it is. Can you all see that? You can't see as good as you saw the white one, but it's super duper squishy. So there we go. And then I have and then I have this one. Hold on, swimming on it in. Well, I have Billy the Whale, the jumbo one. So it's super duper squishy. Super duper squishy. Super duper squishy. Super duper squishy. And I mean, look at my butt. Like, it's so sad. I don't even know what happened. But yeah, so yeah. And then I have a turtle we can do. This one's super defected. I don't know what happened to it, but it is. So yeah, there it is. We can just squish it. I love how fluffy it looks. Defected. This one's just super defected. I don't know. So that's that. Super duper cute. Oh, curling in here. And next we can do my baby bottle. It's not eye bloom, but it's cool. Baby bottle. Squish. 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 Not super duper squishy, but it's purple. So yeah. And it can just flop out of here. And then we can go with this egg that's rolling in here, about to crack open. We have this little guy. And that's that. So, super duper squishy. Squishier than you think. I mean, yeah, so. And then we can go with this mini panda bun that's rolling it on in here. And normal face. Just let's squish it. Super duper squishy. Super duper soft. Goodbye. Now we can do this bread loaf. So this one's really so cool. I just really like this one. But let's show you my favorite one. This is my favorite one. It's so big. Wait, hold on. It's so big. It's the size of my hand. It's pink. And it's so squishy. It's so squishy, isn't it, guys? I mean, it's still rising. I'm not pressing at all on it. Look at it. Ooh. But let's watch it go up to y'all. Up. Cool. Yay. Squish. So I love this squishy. This is my last and very cool squishy. So yeah, I want y'all to meet somebody. I'm gonna lay its little cloth out. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's fine. Okay, I want y'all to meet Gracie, the Grace Fun Channel pet. Gracie is a little stuffed animal dog. So make sure you like and subscribe to become a